Hello guys, welcome to my channel. কেমন আছো সবাই? You want to make a login form and a registration form for your website. You can't do it because you are in trouble. So don't worry, don't search anywhere. You are at the right place and I will be helping you to do this. Yeah, this is the code which we are going to run today and it consists of almost 70 plus lines. And if I build now, you can see what I want to show you. Yes, this is the thing which I have done. You can see here I have a registration form and a sign in button also. So if you type over here your name, you can pick your name, okay, and if you want to give your surname also, now you can give your contact number, okay, and it's also like if you give your email ID. Okay, this is my email ID, and now if I want to give security questions, you can also place a security question. Like if I select your favorite cricketer, it's like I will answer it as Dhoni. Okay, and if I use a password 1 2 3 4 5 6, again confirm 3 4 5 6. So now if I want to agree, and here it's a register, this you can register. So the backend part I will show you in the next video. If you give me 50 likes, only I'm asking for just 50 likes, I will show you each and every code and I elaborate to you in my next video. These all are the bunch of codes which I have used the Tkinter package and made this file, made this project, and the backend with a database will also be done in the next video. I am asking for just 50 likes. If I get 50 likes, I will be making another video fully on this topic and I will explain each and every code. Okay, thanks for watching me, and this project can be a very cool project for a final year student who want to place or post it in your GitHub account.
मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कर दें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे वीडियोस लाते रहूँगा।